Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a little quick video update here. This is my WLTOYS crawler conversion I've been working on. You've seen it before in some of the other videos. I'll leave a link in the description down below to those videos. I decided to do a body swap on this. So most of you know what it looked like before, and I've talked about it earlier in one of my videos that I had this Ford F-100 Proline body laying around that I wanted to use for something, and I decided to cut off the rear bed here and fit it on this instead. I think it looks okay. So the wheelbase is a bit off. It looks like a, I don't know, Frankenstein build maybe, which it is. The brutal mismatch between the rims and the body. But since I had to cut up the body in the rear and make some holes here, the paint came loose on the inside here. So I'm going to do what I've done before when this has happened to me. I'm going to repaint it on the outside. Usually works fine, no problems whatsoever. Just sand the surface a little bit, proper cleaning, and use the right type of paint, and it works just fine. So I've ordered a can of gunmetal gray. I think that will look pretty cool. So I'm going to go with gunmetal gray on the roof as well. I'm not too happy with this white roof. So whole body gunmetal gray, as well as the panels right here. And hopefully, since it's super cold here again, I will get some warmer weather once again. And I will give this a proper test run. So I was out playing around with this the other week in the snow, drifting around, driving it pretty hard, mostly full throttle, and I had a 3S 5000 milliamp battery tucked in the cab of the car, and after like 5-10 minutes it just came to a complete stop, and it smelled a lot of burnt electronics in there. So I thought that the ESC had burnt up. So pretty bummed about that, so I didn't touch it for a few days, a week. But then I decided to take it apart and fit a new ESC. And it turns out it was the motor that burnt up. So I'm not sure which motor I'm going to use right now. I've fitted the stock can motor. Works okay, a lot of speed. Just had to fiddle around with the settings on the programming card. Turn down the power and stuff just so I don't overheat it, and it works fine, but I need to find a better fit, a better motor. So that's what's going on with this build. I've had some people ask me questions about it, so I thought that I would get this out there, let you guys know what's happening, what's going on. Passed 600 subs the other day, super happy about that. So if you guys like my content, please consider sharing it. That will make me super happy. A lot more cool stuff to come. I've ordered some more parts from WPL's official store. I'm going to do a little build with one of my cars I've had on the shelf here. Haven't used it too much, so you can guess which one it is, and I will do a little modification on that one. So that's coming up once I get the parts. And some other cool stuff coming up. So if you don't want to miss those, just make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button, and we'll see what happens next. And remember, if you don't want to miss any of the behind the scenes stuff I've got going on, make sure to subscribe to my Instagram as well. I post a lot of stuff there, a lot of pictures, a lot of short clips, so the people who are who follows me on Instagram get to see a lot more stuff. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this body swap. I think it looks pretty cool. I kept the seats in there, so it got a full interior with a dashboard. That looks pretty cool. Might put a driver in there. Thinking about cutting off half the windows, make it look like they're cracked open. Might look cool as well. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think. Maybe I could have moved the body a little further to the front, but to make the wheel wells fit with the front wheels better. But at the same time, I wanted to fit the interior, so I choose to do it this way. All I've done is cut off the rear, and then I use the stock interior with the, I don't know what you call it, sort of a cage that was inside. Just screwed it on there. Super simple. Looks pretty cool if you ask me. Doesn't really look like a WLTOYS anymore. So yeah, gunmetal gray. Trying to figure out where to fit the battery, and yeah, I'm excited to give this a proper bashing and test crawl. So I'll see you in the next one.